Hello and welcome to Village Tackle. My name is Nicholas. I am your host and I am here to show you one of these great new products that I found today. It is totally amazing, and I have to tell you, this is just like revolutionizing. I never knew that you could actually find a bait container to keep your waxworms warm while you're ice fishing. Here it is. Eagle Claw Keep Baits from Freezing container. And I have to tell you, this is probably one of the best containers I've ever found. Let's just go ahead and open it. I love the twisted screw top. And as you can see, the thickness in the walls of this bait container. I have waxworms in here right now. And yeah, I mean, they're all lively, still moving around a little bit. And they're still keeping pretty warm inside here. There is a micro breathing hole inside this container, which is going to keep them alive, keep them aerated, you know, keep just the life going right in them. And one of the other benefits I like about this container is, like I said, the screw cap. But now I have that snow pile over there, and let me just go ahead and just show you a little bit. See, you can't miss that bright color. If an ice fisherman like yourself drops that, you're going to be able to walk right over there and pick that item up, and you're going to be back to fishing. See, no problem with it. As you can see, it is waterproof. The other thing is that I've noticed that the thickness of this probably makes it pretty buoyant, kind of like a thermos. If you can imagine dropping this in the water, you're not going to lose your bait. Your bait's going to stay warm. It fits nicely in your pocket, and you'll be back to ice fishing in no time. Again, keeps bait from freezing by Eagle Claw, their little bait puck containers. One of the other things I like about it is the HiVIs color that it comes in. Not only does it come in the bright yellow HiVIs color, but also the HiVIs bright orange by Eagle Claw. You can't beat it, my friends. This is one of the containers that every ice fisherman needs. They need this container because if you drop this in the snow, you're going to be able to find it. And you're going to be able to see it right away, visualize it, don't have to worry about anything. Your bait container and all your bait is right there. You're not going to miss a moment of ice fishing without your wax worms. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me today at the Village Tackle channel. I greatly appreciate it. I'm here every week posting a video for you so that way you can join me in some of the best fishing tackle, fishing tips and tricks, and how to make baits, as well as telling some stories about my local area of fishing. If you'd like to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and that little bell notification so you can be notified when I post a new video, when I do it, which will be weekly. I hope to see you next time. And until next time, happy fishing.